Hi, friends and kindergartners. It's me again, Mrs. Calise, back for another day of kindergarten calendar. Look at me, I'm all over the screen. Yesterday it was Wednesday, so today it is Thursday. Thursday. I'm going to write it today. Thursday. And it is the very last day of April, which means tomorrow it's going to be the new month of May. And it is April 30th. And when we have the number 30, that's one of our groups to 10. So we can skip count by 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30. And those are our groups of 10. We don't need any of our little ones. And the number tells us, it says there are 0 ones. 3 groups of 10, 0 ones. Count by tens again with me. Oh, I made my picture bigger. 10, 20, 30. All right, moving on to our question of the day. Oh, it's a silly question again. Let me read this sentence to you. It is not going to make any sense. Pig did what do the... What? That doesn't make any sense. My sentence is all mixed up. Here is a clue. The first word in my sentence should have an uppercase or capital letter, and the last word in the sentence should have a period or an exclamation point or a question mark. Go ahead and pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Are you ready? The first word should be what. The second word should be did. Whoops. The next word should be the. Then pig, then do. Read it with me. What did the pig do? What did the pig do? Find out what it did. Where's my pig? Oh, there he is. My pig. He ate the pie. What did the pig do? He ate the pie. What a cute little piggy. Good job figuring out your sentence. Oh, okay. So now we have Storybots. And you know I've been having all kinds of trouble with the names of different characters. And so today I wrote them down. These are Storybots. They have names. I was going to make sure I could get them right. But then I think I put them in all weird places. Oh, you guys, these Storybots are hiding words from list 9. And if I get their names wrong, I'm really sorry. I think this red guy is Boop. He's hiding the word first. And then there's Bang. I think this blue guy's Bang. He's hiding the word my. And I think this green guy's Bing. Now. All right. And then I have, I think this little yellow guy, I think his name is Beep. Who? Who is he? Ah. Now, I know this purple guy's Bo, and he has his own name on him. His word was water. And the last one is Hap. He doesn't look very happy. And his word is called. All of these are list 9 words. If you don't know them, it's okay. Plus, you have this summer to work on sight words too. But there's first, water, who, called, now, mine. All right, working on combinations of 9 from before. Now, we've talked about how you can color to show combinations. I also can put things into circles or ovals, and that's how I can separate them. So look at the number 9. It already has 9 hearts. But if I were to break them apart into a combination, I can circle some into one circle and another into the other one, or ovals. So in my first group, I have 1, 2, 3 hearts. And in the second group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be a careful counter. Even the smartest scientists in the world have to be careful counters. So 3 and 6 is a way to make the number 9. Now the next one, there are 8 blue moons. So I could put them into groups. And you do not have to do the same groups that I'm doing, but you can. I put them into 2 groups and now I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 makes 8. So I made a combination. At the bottom, there are 9 pumpkins. I want you to do that yourself. You can either circle it if you have your paper, or you can get 9 things and put them into 2 groups. Go ahead and work on that. All right, we're ready to go back to making combinations of 10. And we have a song that we sing in kindergarten. It's the Making 10 song. We'll sing it together right now. 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. That makes 10. That makes 10. I don't know where my hands are going to be. When we go to make 10, I really like to use food. And right now I have, it says to use red and yellow counters. Those are in my classroom. I don't have them with me. So I thought, well, maybe instead of yellow and red counters, I could use, orangish yellow goldfish crackers and red M&Ms. And in this bus, they have taken the bus and they have drawn a line right down the middle. I need to have 10 things on the bus. But depending on which side they are, that's my combination. Let me show you. I could do 10 goldfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I could have 0 M&Ms. That's one way I could make 10. 10 and 0. Or I could have 9 goldfish and 1 red M&M. 9 and 1 makes 10. Or I could have 8 goldfish and 2 M&Ms. Or I could have 7 goldfish and 3 M&Ms. You see my pattern here. I could have 6 goldfish and 4 M&Ms. All of these are combinations of 10. Or I could have an even fair amount. I could have 5 goldfish and I could have 5 M&Ms. I want you to make your own combination of 10. And then make a different combination of 10. And at the bottom, I can color. And if I have a yellow and a red crayon, that's great. So here's 5 yellow and 5 red, and that makes 10. But I showed you all the rest of them. You can make any combination you want. Just be thinking about those combinations of 10, because tomorrow we're going to play a game with them. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Have a great Thursday.